Hey guys, it is Friday. I just started vlogging because I got my shop AOF in the mail today and I am so excited to unwrap this. And yes, I just got done filming. And if you don't know what shop AOF is, it's Shop Aspen Overhead Ferris, which is another YouTuber on here. I can figure out how to get it open. And they just restocked a whole bunch of stuff in the store, so I will link that down below because it's super cute. Shop AOF, thank you for your purchase. XOXO Aspen Ovard Ferris. And then they have a little sticker on here. It's so cute. It's like a little tie-up dress. Actually 2 dresses in my cart, and I went to check out and the other one was already sold out. So I will definitely be buying more stuff from there. I will definitely be buying more stuff from there. Everything is under $50 in that store, which is really nice. Hey guys, I'm yelling over the fam. It is Saturday. It's about 2:41 right now, and Brett just went for a motorcycle ride and he's back and getting in the shower. We are going to see Suicide Squad today and I'm so excited to see that. I am uploading my video now, which will be up before this is up, and that is old Facebook statuses, old Facebook posts. Yesterday I got a few other packages in the mail and that I didn't film. Things that I ordered Brett that he's been using now is this. It's called Kalamazoo Beard and Facial Kalamazoo Beard and Facial Wash. And he's been using it before he goes to bed and before he showers in the morning. Also today I got Brett 2 new Fox shirts. I'll show you those. I'm sure he'll be wearing one today, but this is the first one. I really like the color match with the gray and the orange in this. This is the second one, and it's like an American flag. It like is American flag colors, so I thought that was really cute. But yeah, this is the second one. So this is the shirt that he decided to pick, the white one, and then he matched it with, what hat is that? Oh a fox hat. He just spent the last like hour and a half trying to take one picture. Don't throw anything. What? See ya.
Oh, it's right. I think the Joker was in it. We have to go over.
I like the all orange one.
I do too, but this one's good. Yeah.
See, open your eyes.
Hi. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. Go ahead. Hi! We just got back from seeing Suicide Squad and we went to Red Robin to eat as usual. I really liked Suicide Squad, did you?
Yeah.
We're back at Brett's house. I thought it was good. Brett has decided to set up an Instagram for himself, so I will link that down below. We are leaving Brett's now. It is 11 o'clock.
What a weird.
Oh, I gotta turn my air down. It's gonna be loud in the video.
Oh, wait until it cools down in here.
Hi everyone, it is now Sunday. What's the date? August 7th, and it's about 11:30. We are on our way back to Brett's house. We're going to stop at McDonald's quick to get some lunch because we're super healthy, obviously. So Brett has come up with a new drink, apparently. What? took a sip of my, what did I get? Caramel?
Oh no, you ordered it.
Caramel iced coffee, and then drank his Dr. Pepper, and he said it tastes good. Did it really?
Yeah.
I didn't think so. I tried it, and I thought it tastes like ranch.
How do you get ranch out of it?
I don't know, but it was gross. We had to run to Target quick. Brett's mom what does she need? Sour cream.
And
Soft
taco shells.
Soft taco shells. I also need to get headbands.
I think this would be you.
Yeah. It would definitely be me.
Is this a requirement?
Yeah. That looks like it could be a belt, not even. Like these are cute. Is that a headband? I feel like that's a necklace or something. Like that's cute. I thought they had more. I don't know, but let's get out of this section.
Taco shells.
They're not going to be in the cold section. So I could not find a headband, but I found this cute little necklace. Isn't it cute?
Are you getting that?
Yeah, I think so. Asian Mexican tortillas.
Mexican products. Which one?
I don't care, just pick one.
These?
How many come in a thing? 8?
What?
I don't know, I feel like they're all
What are you picking out?
kind of light.
What up, girl? Well, we just left Alta. That's about 2 hours of my life I'll never get back. What?
Okay, so from Alta, I got, I don't know if this is pronounced tart or tarte. Is the E silent?
You're asking the wrong person.
We can't even see it because of the light, but it's the full coverage foundation, and this is in the shade medium neutral. Because I got that, gave me a free gift from the company. I feel like I'm very dark here. And this is the free gift I got for buying that. Make today beautiful. I think that's cute. I had the bad habit of buying the travel size of things because I don't know, they're just cheaper, so I automatically buy those. And I got the Real Benefit mascara in the color black, I hope. I didn't even look. And I also got Melted Matte Too Faced longwear lipstick in the shade Sellout. And I've never had any of the melted lip glosses, lipsticks, anything, so I'm excited to try that.
I gotta take this off. It's making me hot.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old.
Okay guys, we are ending the vlog here. We're at home now and ready for bed because someone has work in the morning.
Going.
Thanks for watching.